Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy day to day, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on it, so let's get some levels of support mapped out, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.80. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.80, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay up above $1.80, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out, initial level on any sort of bounce back to the upside is going to be right there at $2.40. After $2.40, next key level to keep an eye on would just simply be where the party stopped today, and that was up there at $2.70. So again, on any sort of consolidation and then return back up to the highs, that first hurdle sitting right there at $2.40, next one up there at $2.70. All in all, though, anyway, look at the chart. Very, very solid movement to start off the week. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? So let's see if the price can start building higher bases or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.